Welcome back to Alpha Squad Official, your go-to destination for new car videos. Today we're going to talk about the new 2025 Kia K5. Kia America introduced the refreshed 2025 K5 midsize sedan at the Chicago Auto Show, showcasing updates across various aspects of the vehicle. Kia's Opposites United typography inspires subtle design refinements. New features include Star Map LED, front daytime running lights, redesigned fascias, and distinct wheel options for each trim level. Introduction of a new 2.5-liter, normally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, offering increased power and torque. GT trim retains powerful engine, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Standard ADAS features across different trim levels include Smart Cruise Control, Forward Collision Avoidance Assist, and Park Distance Warning. Introduction of a single-pane curved display, incorporating both the instrument screen and touchscreen navigation unit. Incorporation of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with an upgraded connected car navigation cockpit system and the capability for over-the-air updates. Enhanced HVAC, audio access interface, and center console featuring enlarged cup holders and a built-in wireless charging pad. GT Line Premium Package and GT1 Package offer additional features and enhancements tailored to specific preferences and needs. With its updated design, enhanced interior features, improved engine performance, and advanced driving assistance systems, the 2025 Kia K5 stands as a compelling choice in the midsize sedan segment, offering a combination of style, technology, and performance that is sure to appeal to a wide range of consumers. Thank you for spending your time with us. Until next time, stay awesome, and we'll catch you in the next video.